Most of the accumulation is done, but a few more leftover snow showers showing up on the radar right now. This is zoomed into Baltimore County, where a snow shower is moving south along the Harrisburg Expressway towards Cockeysville, approaching Towson and the top side of the Beltway. For the most part, moving so quickly, it's not going to have much time to accumulate, but I guess there could be a quick little dusting with some of the higher spots there. And also, some snow showers still showing up in eastern Harford County out towards Havre de Grace. That could also bring a light accumulation. For the most part, we're done with accumulation around Baltimore this morning. Most of the radar is looking clear across the rest of the state. Even the snow showers that just came through the eastern shore falling apart as they move towards Salisbury. It's behind the storm that we're seeing the very strong winds as that low pressure is still cranking off the coast near Cape Hatteras, off of Boston as well. We're going to see some of those strong winds continuing around Maryland today, gusting up to 25 miles per hour right now around BWI, 18 in Frederick. Our sustained winds could be that high today. Our gusts could be up to 40. 28 miles per hour at 28 degrees rather at the airport right now, 31 in downtown Baltimore. The fact that we're below freezing this morning definitely allowing for that ice on the roads and sidewalks. This afternoon reaching the mid to upper 30s, but it's going to feel a whole lot colder than that. You factor in those strong winds, and the wind chills will be in the 20s the entire day. Now, this storm system departs the region. The winds will start to decrease after sunset tonight. The sun sets at around 7:30 in the evening, and then we'll see milder air coming into Maryland through the next couple of days. That's ahead of the next storm system, which will bring a couple of showers to the region on Friday, and then there's one more area of low pressure that develops on the back edge of this. That on Saturday could eventually bring a chance for rain. So we're going to be watching this forecast very closely as we lead into opening day for the Orioles. Right now, we're falling right in between two storms. So Sunday has a chance for showers. Tuesday has a chance for showers. Right in the middle, we get that sunshine, and we hope it does stay in that placement. Notice the warming trend through the 7-day with 58 on Friday, 62 Saturday, and staying close to 60 through the start of next week.